Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all my Pink Friday sale haul from Nykaa. I ordered the products on the last day of the sale, which was 24th of November, and I received them last week. And I thought, why not make a haul out of it? So if you're interested to know what are the products that I got this time, then please continue watching this video. So this is the box that I received from them. This is a big box, as you can see. So starting with the first product, I ordered the Whisper pads. So I always use Stay Free and not Whisper, and I saw really good reviews on these pads. So I thought, let's give these a try this time. So this is how the pack looks like, and it has 44 pads, I guess. Yeah, it has 44 pads and it is the XL plus size. So I'm really excited to use this, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about these. So moving on to the second product that I bought the Johnson Skincare Baby Wipes, and this is a pack of 2 and it's the biggest size. So this is how the wipes look like, and I use this all the time. I use this to remove my makeup, to clean my shoes, and the one thing that I absolutely love about these wipes are that it doesn't irritate the skin. So if you're looking for good wipes, then you can definitely invest in these. So my third product are the Bella Cotton Care Pads. So this is how the pack looks like, and it has 100 pieces. I need these all the time, and that's why I bought these. So my fourth purchase is this Biotique Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer for all skin types. This is how the moisturizer looks like. I have used it before and I love this one. It is very lightweight and it is non-greasy. So I thought this will be a great purchase for this winter. Moving on to my fifth purchase, I purchased the Byeee, I don't know how it's pronounced, the perfume Panty liners, and it has 50 liners. This is how the pack looks like, and I have never used Panty liners in my life before. I saw Malvika Sitlani talking about these, so I thought, let's just try these, and let me tell you all how you can use a Panty liner. So when your flow is less on the last days of your periods, you can use these instead of a regular pad, like a big pad. These are light pads, but this is like a smaller version of pad. I'll show you how a Panty liner looks like. So wait a minute. Okay, so this is how a Panty liner looks like. You can see this is a small version of a regular pad, and this is very thin, so you can use these. And also you can use this on a regular basis for that extra hygiene. So yeah, I'm going to use this and let you guys know how I feel about these. My next purchase is this Tinkle Eyebrow Razor Set, and it has 3 pieces of razors. So this is how the set looks like. And I have never used eyebrow razors before. I always go to the parlor to do my eyebrows, and this time I'm very excited to use these, and I'm going to use these and let you guys know how I feel about these. And then I bought the Maybelline Color Show Nail Color Remover with Vitamin E. This is how the nail color remover looks like, and I have used this product a number of times, and I love this one. This is very affordable and it does the job very well. So that's why I bought it again. And then I bought the mini hair straightener from Bronson Professional. So this is how the packet looks like, and I'm going to show you, like I'm going to open this and show it to you all. So this is how the mini straightener looks like. This is very cute. This is pink in color and it's mini, as you can see. I already have a straightener for Philips, which I love, but I thought of investing in something like a small size, like mini size, so that I can travel with this one, and that's why I bought this one. I saw good reviews on this product, so I think it will be good. So I'm going to try this and let you guys know how I feel about this. So coming to the next product, I bought the Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation. So this is how the packet looks like, and I'm in the shade 03 Warm Sand. I'm going to show you how the foundation looks like. So this is how the foundation looks like. I hope the camera is focusing. Yeah, this is how the foundation looks like, and my mom loves this one. This is actually a hydrating foundation, so for winters and for all my lovely girls out there who are from the dry skin category, you will love this one. It's not a high coverage foundation, it's like light to medium, or I can say that it's buildable, but it's not high coverage. But I love this one because it feels very soft on the skin, and it's of course moisturizing. That's something I absolutely love about this one. And yeah, it's very affordable, so if you're looking to invest in a good affordable foundation for like daily use, then you can invest in this one. So moving on to the next product that I bought the Maybelline Lash Sensation Mascara. This is how the mascara looks like, and you guys know, you must know that this is one of the best selling mascaras of Nykaa. And this time I have bought the washable version and not the waterproof version because I'm done with waterproof mascaras. They are very hard to clean. I'm looking forward to this mascara and I'm going to use this a lot. Coming to my third last purchase of this haul, I bought the Matte Me in color lipstick and it's in the shade 402. So this is how the lipstick looks like. I hope the camera is focusing. Yeah, this is how the lipstick looks like. And Nykaa has both good and bad reviews about this lipstick, but I'm really excited to use this because it has a lot of good reviews than bad ones. And it's very affordable. It's under rupees 300. So if this is a good lipstick, then it will make to my affordable list. So yeah, I'm gonna use this and let you guys know how this is. So coming to the second last purchase of this haul, I bought the Miss Clear waterproof eyebrow pencil and it's in the shade 02 dark brown. So this is how the pencil looks like. And I wanted a new eyebrow pencil and I was just going through all the eyebrow pencils that Nykaa has, and I found this one. This was very cheap. It is near rupees 65 to 70, which is ultra affordable. And then I saw very good reviews about this one, so I thought let's just buy this one, and if this works properly, then this is going to be one of the best affordable eyebrow pencils that we have here in India. Last but not the least, I bought the Pure Skin Neem Facial Kit from Himalaya, and it also has a face massager. So this is how the kit looks like, and it has a face wash, a cleansing milk, a scrub, a toner, a neem pack and a moisturizing lotion, and of course that face massager. I never invested in kits like this, and Himalaya is a good brand. And this kit is very affordable for all the teenage girls or the college going girls who want to invest in good skincare but at an affordable rate. So I bought this near rupees 350, which I think is very good because it has almost 7 products, and I'm going to use this regularly from now on, and I'm going to let you guys know how I feel about it. So my box is empty now, and these are the products that I bought. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, then please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell button besides the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Share this video with your friends and comment down below whether you bought something or not, and I'm going to see you all with my next video very soon. Till then, take care, bye!